almost followed him in. Oh no!
Hi! Sorry.
That's it. So, van's finished. I'd just like to say a massive thank you as well to Sleep Concepts for sponsoring this video and obviously sponsoring the van. They've supplied us with an amazing mattress, which obviously we'll show you later.
Right, okay, so let's just start from the beginning. We'll have a recap of everything we've done to this van. It's been a mammoth task. We've finally got it done. It's been great. It took a little bit longer than what we wanted, but we'll go through it all, tell you a bit of the history and what we've done to it and why we've done what we've done.
As we said in our previous video, we got this van from the London Olympic site back in 2012. It was actually used on their site for moving equipment about or whatever they use it for. Obviously, over the years, while we've had it, it's picked up a few knocks and bangs, which you could expect from a work van. That's what they're for working in. First thing, the main thing, is obviously the paint. The paint's done. Matte blue, not everybody likes it, but in fact, it's been a really hard finish to get, and you can tell there's quite a few fingerprints and bits and bobs on there.
I think that's part of the matte finish though, when it's hard,
Yeah,
you've got to keep on it to make it look like this, I think.
Hard thing to get. So, bull bar, £100 off eBay. We've modified some brackets for it to sit on there. Gloss black badge, that's a new one. Yeah, Raptor bumpers. This stuff is absolutely awesome for that rugged look, easy to look after. What else have we got? Do you want to move around this side and we'll show you a bit more down this side? Let's have a look.
So, yeah, you might have heard in the previous videos, we did have some things we were going to put on here. We were going to put a snorkel on, we decided not to. What else?
Winch,
we didn't
that's
bother.
not on there.
And
sump guard,
yeah, but
that's not on there because we don't need one.
Yeah, we just don't need them. We didn't think it was necessary. The snorkel's not to everyone's taste, so we didn't do that. The winch, yeah. It's not a full 4x4 vehicle. It's got that look, but yeah. Yeah, what else have we got down here then?
Off-road tyres, they're new, they're quite smart.
Of course, we raised the front up.
Yeah, fronts came up, just to get that 4x4 look that we're not going for, but we are going for. So yeah, that's been lifted up. Sidebars on there. We've actually made these in-house. Windows have gone in, side pods are on. This has made a massive difference actually. When we show you inside, you can actually see the difference that this has made. Massive. Roof rack,
yeah.
We'll show you a little bit more when we go up there. But that was a Rhino rack that we bought, and we've obviously modified, shortened it, shortened the width and all that type of thing, just to make it fit.
See that on our other video as well, that's on there.
Yeah, it's on one of our previous videos if you want to go and check that one out as well.
Got the zombie light.
Zombie light, yeah. For seeing
zombies.
Zombies, yeah.
Yeah, what else have we done down the side?
What else is on the side?
Well,
obviously the Raptor, we followed that round. That's a reoccurring theme all the way around the van.
Dancing now.
We've done that. Centre caps there done in Raptor Paint as well. But yeah, if you look on this side, from the first video that we've done, it's transformed
I think
quite a lot.
We've also mentioned in other videos, when this was a delivery van for us, it was a lot higher, had an extra leaf in there.
Yeah, we had extra load springs on the back.
So it was a lot higher, so that's the reason for bringing the front up, so the van sits nice and straight, and it does look pretty cool. Yeah.
Like I said, there was a few knocks and bangs on there. The van had more hits than the Beetles, but they've obviously been sorted at the body shop. Wing mirrors have been fixed. They had a nasty crack in there. That's been sorted out. But yeah, all the scuffs, knocks and bangs, they've all been sorted by the body shop, which I think he's done, you know, an amazing job to say what he was given with at the beginning.
Yeah.
Let's move around the back. Let's show you the back.
We're here. Right, coming round to the back then.
The back.
Boom. We've got this super bumper, which is mentioned as well.
Yeah.
We've had this built in
Heavy duty, just to prove it. There you are.
Both.
That's nice and strong.
Yeah. Put this little drop down section to help us get inside. If it was all this high, we wouldn't get in the back because it'd be a little bit higher up to get in there. What else we got?
Spare wheel holder, spare wheel.
Custom built again.
Yeah, all custom built brackets and bits and bobs like that. Work lights at the back. Ladder to get up on top. On the roof rack. Have you mentioned that we've got gas ports?
Oh yeah.
And electric ports both sides.
There you go.
Oh, I said that we was going to move the reverse camera from the bottom to the top.
All right.
Now, the work that we would have had to do to move that, we're just, no. So it stayed there.
It looks nice there.
And now everybody prefers it there. So we're happy with that there.
What else have we done? Are these new? I can't remember.
Yeah, new backlights.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a clean up and a polish.
Front ones have had a clean as well.
Yeah, front ones have been cleaned.
They were a mess.
Yeah, Raptor Paint again, like I keep telling you about. This
Great
stuff is absolutely out of this world for what you want it to do.
Right, yeah. I've just come up the ladder that we put on the back there and wrapped that. Our Rhino roof rack, which we shortened, we mentioned on the other video. Walkboards on here, walkboard stop there. And we've got the roof light, solar panels, zombie light, so we can see the zombies. Yeah, back down, we'll show you what we've done inside, because that's where all the fun is.
Inside the place.
Right, and in backup van is the best bits. It's Craig. Said,
In van.
in van. Right, what have we done in here? Craig?
What have we done back here?
Well,
Outlet, compressor in there, that's all hid under here. Hose reel, compressed air. Open this cupboard door.
ooh, oh yeah.
Water tank.
That needs finishing.
Water outlet for a shower. These all work. Storage. On hydraulic. Gas bottles are going to go in there. That's shut. Table support for the front. We've also got this super cool gas barbecue.
Custom built bracket.
Yeah, custom built bracket. Slides in and out.
Just love the Raptor paint.
Yeah, something else that's been wrapped in. LED ceiling lights.
We've got the bicycle.
Yeah, this is, we actually said that this would be for bikes. Now bikes will fit in here, but this is just the perfect place for storing all your stuff, really.
It is, isn't it?
Plenty of room.
Yeah, we've also got this. This was made as a wheel holder, possibly, for another little storage space as well. And the lights at the top there, they've come on with the light switch in there.
Vinyl graphics, everything vinyl wrap.
Yep. Little cages, just because.
Putting your books in.
Front veg. So that's it for our garage. There we are. Now round to the side of the van. Right, so I'll show you in here, because I left Craig in the boot, in the garage. That's it, Craig, have you? Right, coming round this side, we've got our Thule step. Is that right? Is that what makes it Thule?
Fuel, Thule.
Thule. We've got our step. That closes itself off and the ignition's turned off for a bit of safety. Yeah, coming in, have a look. Come on, come on. Welcome to the inside of our camper. This is the best bit, it's what it's all about. It's been the most fun, the most work, and it looks fantastic. You'll agree. Come and have a look. We'll show you what we've done. Seats reupholstered, looking fantastic. You know what kind of pattern this is, I'm sure you do, don't you?
Yeah, so this is like a Volkswagen GTI tartan pattern. We've got that throughout, so obviously a new rock and roll bed that we got from Fabworks, a company not so far away from ourselves. That's been reupholstered. Seats, they now spin round 360.
And the driver's seat, yeah.
Driver's seat as well, that spins. All reupholstered, like I said. So yeah, starting at the front. Electrics, they've been hid underneath the passenger seat. Fridge for keeping the cold ones in. Drawers, utensils and that type of thing. That goes in there. Hold on a second.
It's magic. It's magic boot.
A little bit of extra worktop. A worktop. 2-ring gas cooker. Sink. Obviously that needs to be plumbed in. And when these are shut, a little bit of extra worktop. We've obviously got LED lights underneath here. Control panel. You can check up on battery levels, what the solar panel's doing. We've also got these down lights in the back. Starlight ceiling, which you've all seen in one of our videos. The Sleep Concepts mattress that I was telling you about, which I've obviously sponsored this video, that's in there. This is a cool touch mattress as well, so obviously it keeps you cool on the night and warm, vice versa. This has obviously been custom made to fit in there. So if you guys want any mattresses making up for your camper vans, these are the guys that you want to hit up. They'll do obviously bespoke sizes, however you want it making, these are the guys for it. So, skylight, this is quite cool, so you can open it a number of ways. You can have it up this way, both ways, like that. That shuts down like that. It's obviously got a fly net on there, which is a bit of a handy thing to have in there if you've got that open on a night. And then the other way, that'll close up and keep out obviously daylight. Perfect for on a night.
There's the money.
So underneath here we've got a little bit more storage. You'll also have your wastewater under this side.
Oops. Oh yeah.
Which you can't see. Obviously we've not plumbed those in, but yeah, wastewater under there. A little bit more storage in this barn. Diesel heater for them cold winter nights if you want to be out and about in winter. What else have we done? 40 volt, 2 sockets up there for obviously TV, whatever you want to put there, charge your phone, that type of thing. Gas detector, which works. Now on. A little bit of storage obviously up there. We've got storage on this side as well. You've already seen the starlight ceiling.
So we're just showing off what we've done here with our table and seats. Easily accommodate 3 people. What's this called? A
Captain seat for a driver. That spins also as well.
Bit of a rigmarole to get that to spin round, but it does it. Yeah, yeah. Handbrake has to come off, spin it round. Anyway.
Yeah, chilled.
So this is our detachable table, detachable leg. Yeah, it spins round a bit with these spun round, and this is a seat. It's a great little place to sit. Eat.
Yeah, perfect for eating, drinking, get 3 around it. Perfect.
And you can also get this, what you want about. Yeah, what you want about. We need to bring Mike into this. Also, we've got that little extra table.
Extra bit of work room.
Extra table in, yeah.
So, Fabworks, yeah, like I said, it's a local company to ourselves. They've supplied us with this bed.
And it is Fab works.
Yeah, it's fab and it works, yeah. Well, this is perfect just obviously for extra sleeping space, really.
The idea is it's a 3/4 berth, I think.
Yeah.
It's the idea that if there's like a couple with 2 kids, one could sleep across there when the seats are all turned around. That's one idea. one person on here and two up on the top. But if not, it's just 3 birds. So. One thing we were going to put in is an induction hob, and we haven't. Reason being, we wanted a gas hob. Yeah, I think that's right.
Yeah.
We wanted a gas hob.
Diesel heater, save on gas space.
Yeah, that's right. We didn't want a gas heater or something, is that right? So
yeah,
we went
that
for
was
a diesel
it.
heater, so we were happy enough to put a gas bottle in for the gas hob. Right. What
Mattress,
else?
that was going to be the Froley spring system.
Yep.
That obviously
Okay.
came to nothing.
So that's our little summary of a little tour of our van. We're going to test it out, take it, make sure it works, test the solar panel, the gas hob, the diesel
and
heater.
if that don't work, we'll just go to the pub.
Yeah. I'd rather just go to the pub. Let's go.